Nearly 25% of Americans are at risk for prediabetes. This condition is associated with increased blood sugar levels and leads to diabetes within 10 years. But only 4% of these people develop diabetes. Less than half of the people who are aware of their problem make necessary efforts to prevent the disease. In this video on Pars Health TV channel, we are going to be sharing with you 10 good habits to prevent diabetes. Stay tuned with us. Number 10. Pay attention to the scale. Even partial weight loss plays a significant role in reducing the risk of this disease. Even very obese people are 70% less likely to develop diabetes by losing 5% of their weight. If your weight is 80 kilograms, just lose 4 kilograms to be safe. There is no need to have restrictive diets. Some small changes in your diet will significantly affect your weight loss. Number 9. Choose the right appetizer. Eating vegetables with vinegar before the main meal will control the blood sugar level in your body. According to a study by Arizona State University researchers, if people with type 2 diabetes or those with insulin resistance consume 2 tablespoons of vinegar a day, their blood levels will decrease significantly. In fact, the effect of vinegar is similar to drugs used to reduce sugar levels. Number 8. Walk. Walk as far as you can. Even if you don't lose weight, you'll be healthier by walking. According to a Finnish study, people who exercise 4 hours a week, or about 35 minutes a day, have up to 80% less diabetes, even if they don't lose weight. Based on this study, it was found that women who exercise more than once a week have 30% less diabetes. Chinese researchers also found that people with high blood sugar will be 40% less at risk by exercising. Number 7. Choose the proper grains. Choosing the right grain helps to lose weight and stabilize the blood sugar level in the body. Consuming whole grains is associated with lower rates of breast cancer, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and stroke. Therefore, researchers recognize grains as one of the best sources of lifesavers. Consequently, it is better to make sure that there is enough fiber in the purchased product. For this, just read the label on the product. But you have to be careful. The fiber in some products is overshadowed by the high sugar, fat, or cholesterol in that product. Identifying the source of fiber is also of particular importance. Therefore, you should carefully read the ingredients list of the product to identify the source of the fiber. Millet, calendula, quinoa, oats, and whole grains are rich in fiber. If you see refined grains, do not use that product. Number 6. Drink coffee. If you are a fan of coffee, don't hold back your passion. This drink may prevent diabetes. After examining 126,000 adult men and women, researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health found that drinking coffee decreased the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 29 to 54%. Coffee is a source of caffeine, and the decaffeinated version has no effect. Researchers believe that caffeine helps to increase the body's metabolism. It also contains potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants that help cells absorb sugar. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Forget fast food. Maybe you crave fast food every now and then, but this craving may become a habit in the long term and put you at risk of diabetes. Scientists from the University of Minnesota came to this conclusion by examining more than 30,000 people aged 18 to 30 for 15 years. In the beginning, all participants were of normal weight. But those who had fast food more than twice a week gained 5 kilos more and were more prone to diabetes. Many fast foods contain unhealthy trans fats and refined carbohydrates that may increase the risk of diabetes. You may also be overweight for the rest of your life by eating them. Number 4. Eat more vegetables. Eat red meat for variety, do not look at it as daily food. Women who eat red meat at least 5 times a week have a 29% higher risk of type 2 diabetes than those who eat red meat less than once a week. Researchers came to this conclusion by studying 37,000 women at Brigham Hospital. They found that eating red meat and sausage at least 5 times a week increased the risk of type 2 diabetes by 43%. They believe that cholesterol and additives in red meat are involved in this process. Number 3. Use spices. Spices like cinnamon help to control your high blood sugar. German researchers studied 70 adults with type 2 diabetes. They found that those who received cinnamon capsules or placebo 3 times a day for 4 months experienced a 10% reduction in blood sugar. Are you asking why? The compounds in cinnamon activate the enzyme that activates insulin receptors in the body. Number 2. Relax every day. Chronic stress can raise your blood sugar levels. When you are stressed, your body is ready to react. This preparation makes your heart beat faster. As a result, your blood sugar levels rise rapidly. When the body is under pressure, it prepares itself for any action by increasing the blood sugar level. If your body's cells become resistant to insulin and your blood sugar levels rise, you will no longer be able to do anything. The good news is that according to a study conducted at Duke University, doing relaxation exercises and using stress management techniques can help control your blood sugar levels. Number 1. Rest at night. Sleeping has a great advantage, and that is preventing diabetes. A study by researchers at Bill University on 10,700 men shows that those who regularly sleep less than 6 hours a day are more at risk of developing diabetes and are 3 times more likely to develop diabetes. Previous studies on women also confirm these results. When you sleep too much or sleep less than you need due to sleep apnea, your nervous system stays on alert. As a result, the functioning of the nervous system interferes with the hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. What do you do to prevent diabetes? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.